kiddos! Welcome back to English class with Kak Kay. Today our project is about telling our hobbies. And then my hobby is cooking. I really love cooking. And now I want to cook a fluffy pudding box. Are you curious how to cook it? Let's cook together with me. So here is what we need, kiddos. We only need 3 ingredients. There are 3 boxes of milk in 200 milliliter, 1 sachet of gelatin, and then 6 spoons of sugar. Don't forget to prepare a stove, a pot, a scissor, and then a ladle. If you are ready with the tools, now let's start to cook it. At first, you have to cut the milk box properly. Only cut the top of it. Cut the 3 of them in the same way. You can use any variant taste based on what you like. We have to cut it like this because we will use again the box. After that, pour a box of the milk into a pot. Add a spoon of sugar and then add a teaspoon of gelatin. If you use an eating spoon, it could be just a half of it, like this. Mix it. Now you are ready to cook it. Turn on the stove. Okay. And then we stir the milk on the fire. Stir using a ladle. Boil it until the bubble comes up. Like this. And then you can turn off the stove. If you are done, pour it into the box of the milk. Like this. Put the box aside, and then we make another one. We do the same steps. Pour the milk, add a spoon of sugar, add some gelatin, and then we boil it again. Pour it into a box. Be careful, it's really hot. Put the box aside. The last box, it's a chocolate flavor. Pour it. Add a spoon of sugar and some gelatin. Now we have 3 boxes. Put it in the fridge and then wait until 3 hours. After 3 hours, you can take it out of the fridge and set it on a plate. Look how fluffy they are. And now your fluffy pudding box is ready to serve. That's all, kiddos. That's my hobby. You also can try it in your home. And now it's your turn to show us about your hobby. Thank you for watching, kiddos. See you in the next project. Bye.